Hello out there, you guys. This is the world famous here, Mr. Ripper Rack, the troubleshooter, Borderland Amps. Today we have a Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Let me say a shout out to Billy Badass. Billy Badass, right there in Raymondville, Texas. Okay, we did we put a MOSFET FQP 1310. It does about 6 watts average, 2 amps draw current, and we installed a new TRB times 4. TRB times 4. And first let's check it out here on this, what this could do. Okay, testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing probando 1 2 3 4 5. Pick up a little bit on the talkback. Audio 1 2. Okay. Okay, lower it down here. 1 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2. Probando 1 2 3 4 5. Testing. Radio check. Testing. Okay. Testing 1 2. And we also have a little repeater here. Hola. Coca-Cola. Probando 1 2 3. And also has a little whammy here. I call it a little whammy alien thing here. Audio. Hola. Coca-Cola. Hola, probando. Vamos a tratar que si se puede o no se puede. Testing 1 2, or we'll just set it right here. 1 2 3 4, check. Probando 1 2 3 4 5. That's a TRB times 4. Let's go see real quick here. Let's check. Let's see if we can do it over here. Check a little clearer. Let's see. So we can see a little bit clear here. Let's see if we can do a little clearer. We're on the 10 watt slug here. Let's see if I could bring this thing a little bit forward here if we can see. Oh yeah, okay. Here we go. Keying up underneath about a watt. Audio 1 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Probando 1 2 3 4 5. Hola. Probando 1 2 3 4 5. Modulating on 4 or 5 watts average. Let's give it a tone. Let's give it a tone here. About 6. About a 6 watt average. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio. Probando 1 2 3 4. Probando 1 2. Check. Probando 1 2. Hello 1 2. Okay. Thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Bye.